Hi there everyone, welcome back to another project by James. For today's project, we got some new LED bulbs. So this is courtesy and sponsored by Sea Light. So this is specifically for the reverse light. So as you can see, it's a little fancy. It has 360 LEDs all around and coming out from the middle too, as kind of like projector bulbs. So they should be a little brighter when I put it into reverse, and especially at night makes it a lot easier to see things. So the bulb part number is 7443, which is the correct size for my 2003 Honda CR-V. So it should be these ones right here that are getting replaced. So if you guys never replaced these bulbs before, I am going to show you guys how to do that. So here we go. All right, first things first, as you guys can see, it is nighttime, so I do have the flash on the camera on, but there's only two tabs that you have to get. So these ones, there's one right here, and then there's another one down here, and all you have to do is just get a flathead and get to it. The other one, there's supposed to be a low cover, but that's one of them, and then the other one's up here, and they all have a 8mm screw. So as you guys can see, I already got the tool set up. So this one I probably could do it without the extension. The only reason I have the extension on is because it just makes it a lot quicker to take them off. So I'll go ahead and get those going on. Alright, that was really quick. I went and go ahead and got the two bolts out. So now basically all you got to do is just grab it and just kind of give it a little tug towards you. And they should just slowly come out. And just like that, you can see that if you ever have to need to replace or get access to any of the bulbs, they're all right here. And they're all just, you just twist them and you pull them out. And these are the bulbs. So specifically, we're going to go ahead and replace the reverse light. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug the new ones in. All right, it's a little messy, but I just want to show you guys how the bulb looks in person. Focus, there we go. So it looks just like that. A little projector beam. And then I already went ahead and pulled out the one for the reverse socket. So all it does is you just plug it back in, and it should just snap back in. All right, and I know it's a little tough to see, it's a weird angle, but basically you just stick it in pretty much the way you pulled it out, and just put it in and twist, and it should just lock and stay in, and then you're just going to reinstall the thing. All right, and to basically to put everything back, you should have some tabs like these yellow ones on the bottom. Oh, this one, I have to pull this one out, but basically it should line up once you get those holes lined up. Oh, and the third one right here, you should be able to just push them back in, and then just give it a slight push, and then screw the two bolts back in and put those plugs covers over, and you should be done. All right, and now to see the difference. You guys can see this is super bright, and if we look at the reflection along the garage door, it is super bright. Big improvement, especially when you have tinted rear windows. It makes it pretty hard to try to see out at night. That is why I have two reverse cameras, and these LED lights will definitely help out seeing my rear when I back out. So this would definitely help and go a long way. So you guys are thinking about getting yourself some LED lights, go ahead and check out Sea Lights. I'll go ahead and link the description and the details in the info below, so go ahead and check them out. With that being said, this pretty much concludes the video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Till the next video, you guys, take care.